Hey, hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this daily challenge from LeetCode, power of x comma n. So we need to implement the power function which calculates x raised to the power n. So we cannot directly use this function, and also the number n is very big, so it will not run also. And we will be doing this making use of recursion so that the time complexity becomes log n. And if you want to do it along with keeping a modulo calculation, you can check my previous solution to one of the POTD on GFG. So we will start with writing the base case where if n equal to 0 or x equal to 1, then we just return the number 1. Next, if uh, n equal to 1, then we will just return the number itself. Now what? Now we will call the power function again to calculate x raised to the power n by 2. So we will just store this in a temporary variable where the answer would be uh, x raised to the power n by 2. Now what happens if the number is odd? Then it gives me like 5. If the number n was 5, then the function gets called by x comma 2. So we have temporary equal to x raised to the power 2. So we just need to square it and it becomes x to the power 4. And since we need to return x to the power 5, we just need to multiply it again with x. So that is the basic quanta of this approach, where we check if n is odd, then basically I'll just write it in ternary operators. So if n is odd, we return temporary into x. So I get n by 2 into n by 2 becomes n, and for odd number it would be n minus 1 by 2, n minus 1 by 2, that becomes n minus 1, and multiplying it again with x makes it n. So but if it was even, so we just need to return tmp into tmp. So let's run it. So it gets filled for n equal to minus 2. So basically what happens is that n should be uh, good enough to take negative and positive both numbers. So we just need to take care of that. So if n is less than 0, so what will happen? Any negative power just inverts the number. So if we just make x equal to 1 by x, or maybe 1.0 by x, so the power becomes positive. Now we can consider n equal to as positive itself, so absolute value of n, and the remaining things remain the same. So we just converted 2. So in this example we just converted 2 to 1 by 2, that becomes 0.5, and now we just need to calculate the power of 0.5 raised to the power 2. So that is similar to what is 2 raised to the power minus 2, and we just run it. It gets accepted and we submit it. So it beats 100% of the users, and it is very fast solution. And yes, that is all. See you tomorrow.